Good morning one and all. Before in previous class we discussed about so many problems about profit loss. Among these, this is also one problem today we are going to solve. What is the first question given in the given here? Bimal bought 50 kg tomatoes, 5 kg were found rotten and she threw them away. She sold the remaining and charged for 4 kg. The price is set she paid for 5 kg. Find her here gain or loss percent in this transition. But first Bimal bought how many kg of tomatoes? 50 kg of tomatoes. Among 50 kg, 5 kg were found rotten. In 50 kg, 5 kg are found rotten. Means how much? 50 minus 5. How much? 45 kg. Okay. Remaining are 45 kg. She threw the 5 kg of rotten tomatoes away and she sold the remaining and charged for 4 kg. The price she paid for 5 kg. She sold the 4 kg of tomatoes according to the price she paid for 5 kg. Here we have to find out the is it gain or loss percent. Okay, I think so. You understood the question very well. Let's go and solve the problem. Let's solve the problem. What it is given? Let the cost price of tomatoes is equals to rupees 1. We'll think the cost price of tomatoes is rupees 1 and then the cost price of how many tomatoes are given in the question? 50 kg of tomatoes means 50 kg of tomatoes is equals to rupees 50. Okay. In this, what is given in the question? 5, but among 50 kgs, 5 kg tomatoes were rotten. Means what we will do? But due to 5 kg of tomatoes were rotten. Okay, then what we will do? 5 kg, 50 among 50 kgs, 5 kgs of tomatoes were rotten means what we will do? CP of cost price of 45 kg tomatoes is equals to how much? Rupees 50. Okay. Cost price of 45 kg of tomatoes is equals to rupees 50. Now what we will do? Now we will find SP selling price of 4 kgs of tomato equals to cost price of 5 kg of tomatoes. Here it is given in the question. The charge for 4 kg, the price he paid for 5 kg means selling price of 4 kgs of tomatoes is equal to the cost price of 5 kgs of tomato means how much is equals to rupees 5. Okay. Now what we will do? Selling price of 45 kg of tomatoes we will do. Selling price of 45 kg of tomatoes. Why you wrote 45 kg only? Here it is mentioned in the question that among 50 kgs, 5 kgs were rotten. That's why I wrote selling price of 45 kg of tomatoes. Then what we will do? Is equals to 5 by 4. Selling price of tomatoes how much? 5 by 4 into how much? Into 45. By solving this, how much answer we will get? Rupees 225 by 4. Okay, selling price of 45 kgs of tomatoes. How much the answer we got? Rupees 225 by 4. Now gain we will find out. Gain, how we will do? What is the gain formula? I told in the previous class only. Then what we will do? Gain is equals to rupees. How much it is? How much the answer we got for 45 kg of tomatoes? 225 by 4 into how much? How many kgs of tomatoes? Into 50. By doing the cancellation, what the answer we will get? By doing cancellation, what the answer will get? Rupees 25 by 4. Rupees 25 by 4. Gain this one. Now we already find out selling price of 45 kgs. Gain we will do. Now what? Finally, what we have to find out? Gain percent. Gain percent. How we will find out? Gain percent is equals to 25. Gain, what the answer we got? Rupees 25 by 4. 25 by 4 by 50 into how much? Into 100. Into 100. By doing the cancellation, what the answer we will get? 25 by 2. 25 by 2. By dividing 25 into by 2, what the answer will get? 12 whole 1 by 2%. This is the gain percent answer. Finally, when Vimal bought 50 kg of tomatoes, out of those 5 kgs were rotten. She find out. But what she did, selling price of 4 kgs of tomatoes is equal to the cost price of 5 kg. Then finally she got gain at 12 whole 1 by 2%. Okay, this problem is completed. Next, solve the next problem. Okay, what is the second question is given here? Raju sold a chair at a gain of 5%. Had he sold it for rupees 9 less, he would have lost 7%. Find the cost price of chair. Before going to solve the problem, you have to observe what the question is given and what are the formulas are to be used in this question. What he told? Raju sold a chair of gain of 5%. Raju already sold the chair for gain of 5%. Otherwise, he sold it for rupees 9 less from gain of 5%. If he sold the chair for rupees 9 less, then he would have got loss for how much? 7%. Here what is given to find out? Here you have to find out cost price of chair. What is the cost price of chair? Okay, here the cost price is not given. Then what we have to do? We have to find the cost price. Let's solve the problem. Let the cost price of chair is equals to how much? In this question, cost price is not given. Then what we will do? Let we think rupees X. Okay. Then what we will do? Selling price is given. Selling price of chair at gain of how much it is given in the question? At gain of 5%. Gain of 5%. Means what we will do? Selling price formula what? Gain 100 plus gain percent by 100 into CP. Okay. According to this formula, we will substitute it. What we will get? 100 plus gain percent. How much it is given? 5 by 100 into cost price. How much? X. We took here rupees X. Okay. Then what we will get? 105 by 100 into X. Okay. By solving this, how much answer will get? Rupees 21x by how much? 20. 21x by 20. First SP if I have found out at gain percent. Now we have to find the selling price of loss percent. Selling price of chair at loss of 5%. In previous class I told the selling price of loss. What is the formula? 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. Okay, put the formula 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. Substitute it. 100 minus how much? Loss percent, how much it is given? Loss percent, how much it is given? 7%. Then 100 minus 7 by 100 into CP, how much? X. By subtracting 100 minus 7, how much answer will get? 93 by 100 into X is equals to 93 X by 100. Okay. We found out the loss as selling price of chair at gain percent and selling price of chair at loss percent. Now finally what we'll do? Difference between whose difference we have to find out? Difference between two SP. We finally find out the selling price of gain percent and loss percent. Now we have to do the difference. Is it gain or loss? And we have to find the cost price also. Difference between two SP is equals to how much? First selling price of gain of 5%, how much answer will get? 21x by 20 minus selling price of chair at loss of 7%, how much answer we got? 93x by 100. 93x by 100. Okay. Now subtracting these both, how much answer we will get? Before solving, see the denominators here. In previous class, in previous chapter, we discussed about fractions. In fraction chapter, I told you in the fraction chapter, when the denominators are different, we have to find the LCM. Then by finding the LCM, we can solve the problem. 105. What is the LCM here? By solving 20 minus 100, the LCM is 100. Okay. Now by multiplying this, what the answer will get? 105x minus 93x. Okay. By doing the subtraction, 105 minus 93, how much answer we will get? By subtracting this both, what the answer we will get? Rupees 12x by 100. Finally, we found out the difference between two selling prices. Now what we will do? But this difference being given equal to 9. Here in the question it is given C. This difference must be equal to rupees 9. Then what we will do? Let's see it. Difference must be equal to rupees 9. First difference we find out. Difference answer what we got? Rupees 12x by 100. Now do it. 12x by 100. What is told? It must be equal to the rupees 9. Then do equal 12x by 100 equal to rupees 9. Then we have to find x. X we have to find out. X is equals to what we will do? X is equals to, when this 100 comes here, it multiplies. When the division 12 by x is given here, it means it is in the divisional form. When this divisional form comes this side, it will become multiplied by, here 12 is given here, when it is come down, it will be divided. then x, how much the answer will get? 9 into 100 by 12, what the answer I will get? X is equals to 75. Okay, by solving these all, what the answer you finally got out? X is equals to 75. Then CP of the chair he told to find out. Finally found out or not? Cost price of chair is equals to how much? Cost price of chair is equals to rupees 75. This is the final answer. Okay, let's go to the next problem. Okay, what is the next problem is given here? Prakash buys orange at 3 for a rupee. What? Prakash bought oranges at 3 rupees. At an equal number of oranges at a 2 rupees. He mixes both of them and sells at 5 for 2 rupees. Find his loss or gain percent. What the question is given? First we have to observe. What the question is given? Once Prakash bought the oranges for a rupees 3, and once again he bought the oranges for 2 rupees. After that he mixed both of the oranges, and after mixing it he sold the oranges at 2 rupees. And then finally what you have to do? You have to find is when he sold the oranges at the final cost, did he got gain or loss percent? Okay, we have to find out if he got loss percent or gain percent. Let's solve the problem. Let the number of oranges bought each kind. He bought 2 types of oranges at the cost of 3 rupees and at the cost of 2 rupees, and once again in the cost of 5. And kind B, LCM we have to find out 3, 2 and 5. LCM of 3, 2 and 5 is how much? That is 30. Okay. Now cost price of 30 oranges at the rate of how much? 3 for a rupee is given in the question. 3 for a rupee is how much rupees? Is equals to rupees 10. Okay. Cost price of 30 oranges at the rate of how much is given in the question? 2 for a rupee. For a rupee means how much he got? Rupees 15. Okay. Then what we will do? Mix both of these, means how much? 30 plus 30. How much it will come? Cost price of 60 oranges. After mixing it, how much? Cost price of 60 oranges. How much will get? Rupees. Cost of 30 oranges, this one, how much? 10 plus 15. Mixing it, what the answer will get? 25. Rupees 25. Okay. Rupees 25. After mixing, finally he got rupees 25. Now what you will do? Rupees 25 and selling price of oranges at the rate of 5 for 2 rupees. It is given in the question. Now you have to find out. Rupees 25 and selling price of 60 oranges at the rate of What is given in the question? At the rate of 5 for 2 rupees. 5 for 2 rupees. Okay, after mixing, we are not finding for a single 30 oranges. We are finding for 60 oranges. Then what we will do? Rupees 2 by 5 into 60. Okay. After solving it, what the answer will get? Rupees 24. Okay. Now, is it loss or gain? It's loss only. 60 oranges he bought at the rupees 25, and how much he sold it at a cost for 5 for 2 rupees. After mixing it, he got rupees 24. Then it is loss or not? Okay, loss is equals to what? Rupees 25 minus 24. How much will get? Rupees 1. Okay. He found out not here. He after mixing cost price of 60 oranges, he got rupees 25, and selling price while selling the 60 oranges, he got rupees 24. How much rupees loss? Rupees 1 rupees. Okay. Now we have to find the loss percent. Loss percent is equals to how? What is the formula? Loss percent is equals to what's the formula? Loss percent is equals to loss into 100 by CP. Loss into 100 by CP. Loss, how much he got? Rupees 1 by cost price, how much? 25 into 100. Okay. By solving it, what the final answer will get? How much? 4%. What is the loss percent? The final answer? 4%. Finally, Parkes got loss percent of loss how much? 44%. Okay, next solve the next problem. Okay, what is the next question? A man sells 2 radio sets for rupees this one each. 2 radios he sold at the same cost of rupees 1188. On one radio he gained 10%. On the other radio he loses 10%. Find his gain or loss percent. Okay. In first radio, we'll solve the problem in the first radio. First radio is equals to SP, how much it is given in the question? Selling price is equals to rupees 1188. Okay. Gain how much? 10%. Okay. SP is given, gain is given. Directly we will find out cost price. Cost price is equals to 100 by, what is the formula? 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP. Okay, 100 by 100 plus gain how much? Gain percent 10 into SP, how much it is given? 1188. 100 by 110 into 100, 1188. Finally, what the answer will get? Rupees 1080. Okay. Now first radio we find out. Now we'll find out second radio. Second radio. What is given second radio? SP also same. At the same rate he sold the both. SP is equals to 1188. Loss how much? 10%. Now we will directly find out cost price. Cost price is equals to 100 by 100 minus 10 into 1188 is equals to how much? 100 by 90 into 1188. Okay. By solving all this, what the answer will get? Rupees 1320. Okay, we found cost price of first radio and second radio. Now what we'll do, total cost price of both radios. Total cost price of both radios. What the answer we got? We have to do the sum. Both first radio, how much you'll get? 1080 rupees. 1080 plus 1320. By adding this, what the answer will get? Rupees 2400. Okay. Now we find out the total cost price of both radios. Now we'll do total selling price of both radios. How much? 2 into 1188. By multiplying this, what the answer will get? Rupees 2376 rupees. Okay, cost price is this one, selling price is this one. We got, means it is loss or not? He bought the radio at this much rupees and he sold it for this much. This is less than this one or not? Then finally we'll do loss of two radios. Two radios is equals to how much? 2400 minus 2376. By subtracting this, what the answer will get? Rupees 24. For both of these, by cost price and selling price, that how much difference? Rupees 24 rupees difference. Now finally we will find out loss percent. Loss percent is equals to how much? 24 by 2400 into 100. Means how much you will get? 1%. Loss percent is equals to how much? 1%. Okay. We'll see in the next class.